In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drill through in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer and loading the report you want to work with. Drill through lets your viewers jump from a summary view straight into a focused details page with one right click, which is perfect for answering show me more without cluttering your main dashboard. Begin by creating the target page, the one that will show the details. Add a new page and give it a clear name like region details so it's easy to recognize later. On this page, add the visuals that will display the deeper information users expect when they drill in. Tables work well for showing granular rows, while charts can highlight breakdowns like product, salesperson, or time by region. Build these visuals using the same data model as your main page so filters flow correctly. Next, set the drill through field. With the region details page selected, look for the area that says add drill through fields here. Drag the region field into that box. As soon as you do, Power BI adds a back arrow at the top left of this page automatically. That button is what users will click to jump back to where they came from, so you don't need to create any custom navigation. While you're there, check the Keep All Filters toggle in the drill through settings. When it's on, which is the default, Power BI carries over all applicable filters from the source page, things like date ranges, product categories, and slicer selections along with the region you clicked. This is ideal when you want your detailed view to mirror the user's current context. If you turn it off, only the region filter is passed through and other filters are cleared. Use that when you want a clean, region-only perspective regardless of other page filters. Now, try it from your main dashboard. Go back to your summary page and locate a visual that uses the region field, such as a bar chart or a pie chart. Right-click a specific region, for example, the East bar, hover over drill through, and select your region details page. You'll be taken to that page with all visuals filtered to the region you chose. Review the details, and when you're done, use the back arrow in the top left to return to the main dashboard. If you don't see the drill through option, confirm that the visual includes the region field and that the region on both pages comes from the same table in your model. Save your report to keep these settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy building intuitive drill through experiences in Power BI.